say everybody wants to be a photographer until you put your fucking camera in manual mode, which I think is completely true.
While I think digital cameras and the power of digital cameras have helped maybe everyone get into photography, it's only the few who decide to learn technique that really excel at photography.
This is not a workshop. We're not going to charge you hundreds of thousands of dollars to teach you how to do it. You just came and you ask, and we'll tell you how to do it, and we'll help you to do it. So there is no better school in the world. One of the essential tools for you to communicate as an artist with photography is exposure. This is what I said to the people I teach photography. I said, if you take a great picture, but you don't understand how you take it, it's worth nothing. Yeah, you're an automatic and taking picture. Like, oh, look at that one. Yeah, can you reproduce this picture? Can you make it again? Did you understand what happened? No, it's worthless. I wish people use exposure within the manual, what is correct, and then breaking the rules to express themselves, with exposure. Shutter speed is like playing with time. Everything is in motion, and there is things that your eyes cannot see, but the camera can capture it. So if you can play with those time spaces, you came up with an amazing photograph. I'm lately getting into Stroboscopic Flash, which is you fire the flash several times in 1 second. So you get that action freeze, and and it's kind of a time lapse compressed in one single image. And I think it's very powerful. Well, the depth of field is crucial in a picture because you need to tell the viewer where to look first. And then their brains will go through the image. There is an invisible road across the image, but you have to tell them first where to go, where the story begins. I remember people getting crazy about the new cameras with, super higher sensibility, ISO, so you can shoot at night. Come on, you can. Higher ISO smells shit. Anytime it go up, it's terrible. For me, the ISO, it's always 100. And if I have to go up, I think the most, even if it's night photography, I'm going 400, that's it. It looks good in the camera, it looks good on Instagram, but when you blow up in the computer or you want to make a print, so all your work is worth nothing.